I've been to Disney. Disney has phenomenal service, the Disney cruise. And I asked them next, what's their mission statement? And nobody knows their mission statement. Of course you don't know the mission statement. But I bet after a few experiences with them, you could take a damn good guess and get close, because mission is not about the statement, but about the work we're doing, the commitments we make. Mission's about sacrifice. So that's the biggest thing, because everything starts with why. Everything starts with the mission we're on. And if you're a school sniffing around any place close to Learning for All, it's mission driven. And so helping schools, because they're doing the work, right? They're doing the work, but it's moving from that compliance, right? That compliance stage to that fervor of mission.